Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's see kung ano energies ng inyong love life ngayong September 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Taurus. Love life ng mga Taurus. Get to know each other. Aba, so you're getting to know each other. Oh, so yung iba sa inyo, if you are connecting with someone, kailangan yung kilalanin, no? Lalo na bago pa lang. And even if you are already in a relationship, hindi porket karelasyon mo na kilala mo na, there is still always something to get to know about that person. Yes. So, mangyayari yan if you spend more time sa isa't isa. 'Di ba? It happens. Merong mga 10 taon na magkasama, pero hindi niya alam talented pala yung asawa niya or partner niya, jowa niya sa painting. Alam mo yun? So, it's about sharing your thoughts sa partner mo and how you share your time with each other. Yun ang importante. 'Di ba? At mas makikilala nyo raw ang partner nyo kapag kayo ay nag-travel together. May lumilipad na something. Kailangan nyo mag-travel kasi doon nyo makikilala yung totoong ugali ng isa't isa. Love can be blind. Ensure you're not overlooking red flags. See? Baka merong iba sa inyo, hindi tinitingnan ang mga red flags, deadma. Yan nga yung way ninyo para mas makalala yung partner nyo eh. Diba? So, kumbaga, may mga red flags na pwedeng palagpasin, pero isulat mo. Kumbaga, tandaan mo. Write down. Take note. Ganun. Proposal, an offer or proposal in the near future that comes as a surprise. Ayan, maaring merong mag-offer sa'yo ng relationship, like no romantic partnership or marriage, no? But, syempre, nasa sa'yo yan kung tatanggapin mo agad. But you have to get to know the person muna bago papasok sa seryosong commitment. Okay, take your time. So, para sa mga in a relationship, 6 of Wands, maaring merong excitement kasi dito. No? Na you feel, parang may minamadali, alam mo yun, wanting to be with the person, or parang feeling mo meron kang mga karibal. Or yung partner mo, feeling niya parang meron siyang karibal sa'yo. The King of Wands. So, pwede the person that you're dealing with is a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ito kasi ay energy ng pagiging mapusok. Pag kasi in love ang isang tao, as in, lutang. Yung mga red flags hindi napapansin. You have the High Priestess. Okay, so the High Priestess is about wisdom, your instinct, your intuition. If you feel na may something off sa person that you're dealing with, then maybe there is. Okay? So you have to get to know the person first. Pwede kasi may mga itinatago. And hindi mo naman talaga yan malalaman right away. Lalo na kung tinatago. But, yung instincts natin, nakakatulong yan. If there is something wrong with someone, lalo na nakakasama mo na madalas. So, if you are single, Page of Cups, may crush ka. Puwedeng you are connecting with someone na nasa abroad o kaya online, may ano, chat-chat ganyan online, and you want to see this person. So, bago ka makapagkita, lalo na kung ito'y foreigner, kailangan nakita mo na siya sa picture. Baka magulat kapag ano, parang blind date, ganyan. So, Eight of Wands, yeah, I think also meron ding ano rito parang pagmamadali. Oo. So, kung ano, gusto mo ng seryosong relationship, you have to be careful na, you know, pagdaanan yung proseso na kailangan mong pagdaanan for this relationship. And I also see here na meron kang kikitain. Pwedeng iwasan mo yung blind date, ha? Or, pwede ring ano to, yung mga sa dating apps. Meron din naman nagiging successful sa mga dating apps, but you have to be extra careful. Kasi alam niyo naman minsan sa news, 'di ba? Pinasok na sa ano, maleta. Oo. So anyway, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.